Mema obi bia akwaba edeba Trendy X ewo oboa TV Plus so. Ayamo sonfo ofosehima ena bia no pay nyumre mabetswamo. We no exciting entertainment news. Makofa efi baby bebre ana mede ba besom. Ye nyina ye nim se ya de hye ya papa. Ye nana ye nia be ma ye ofa. Ye bibia ye mpa despite ebia museum kese bi pe ni behye eho frankasa chese eho aesthetically pleasing out se hu a chese akono aduane de akam se mama de be pizza chese metimi kura ada ho ama chese bibia be koso kama na we na jumedi na se nipa ba kumie na titirifuo interview kakra bi na we na despite ma be PM na o chiema ne ba no wise man na enye obia na idea we be ba ne tim say o see museum ne country enye obia be expect say government na produce that kind of industries and I say facilities but where the individual no wa fa no so we be a museum na we na despite mama chiema ne ba ne nyansa ye pa ati se mama de sun ego akwan mu ati se enye asem ketoa mama sun ya ati se enye se sun se ne ra ho we tears of joy tears of joy why imagine so wa school na wa graduate na oba wan ko fanyin sen bi amane ade na mama about graduation chese tears of joy. She's so proud of you. O me ko video number
Mommy, and a day, and then Panel catch Raho, afraid your way as a form. Only the edge of sports car, okay, Mercedes Benz, okay, wow, that's it. Why the chest? So we said, me and Mama become so emotional. Mama is so emotional.
Anne Mwamutimi hu se maami kasa bebre na sun so de na nya asem ketua so utimu say she's very proud of her son cause wetimi abuild this kind of museum in a country this worth millions of cedis, not even to talk about cedis, millions of dollars. Na so wetimi set up this kind of museum in a country e was say bonabaso e de oye bia so ena yesaye osebo nso interview and osebo chemu a there is no heaven and despite museum to say wa kwama wa ko say heaven abagana heaven ewo Ghana heya and heaven abagana to say to say any kwase wako heaven saying about heaven what Ghana here and say what I was here do na Ghana here cause heaven anyhow I into the osebo ekai no wo me kwhwembra
the root of all mother money Kawe heavy if you are. No, really heavy. Heavy piano, heavy and one.
I said Mr. Osebo and Eja Osebo Esiano no. Na we so na yesa ebobo nsem ho ekopie mu ewo Ibrahim Mahama Akache Ye busebisa ne nsɛmfo bi na Ibrahim ama kyerɛ mu a ono so ebesi museum ni bi in the next 2 to 3 years ɛwɔ Ghana hanum say. Nanso ontimi enye ne kese to send the elder brother despite ontimi enye ne saa it on the obeba from kakra ebi a despite high ne car no ebi ono so be na aduane cause aduane ho hia maye onye aduane museum so efa maye na che say ye kwa ye ko pe bi ye de o se car de ontimi ni ntimi ha it's no aduane se da maye so ye maye de ada me ko head Ibrahim Mahama ekan.
You establish a museum?
Yes, I shall, but not as big as this. He's actually my senior, so I give him respect for what he's done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give us a clue as where it will be situated?
Well, I think I would look at the airport area or possibly on one high road and also try and see if I can get some of the... Nana Kumia, stop distracting me. I don't like that. So I think the airport area would be good.
Okay.
And such that we can have museums to be able to visit. Yes.
Okay.
But his collections are out of the moon.
Were you overwhelmed?
I am overwhelmed.
Okay.
I'm a car enthusiast, but to have such cars in here, it's actually long planning for you to be able to get such a project done.
Can you give us a time frame of your museum?
Oh, mine should be away about 2.5, 3 years away.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I said the video no share no Ibrahim Mahama so so be CB. Na we no na etwa so ye ko NDC chairman Johnson Esiedu Enketia. Na o kyerem a o say museums de ho hia for educational purposes and I say we so ye betimi esi museum a ebe boa wo adesua mu e wo man ni mu enya ka asam ko a baka asam so hu hia ko so ko krobi so te se China akraketo be se mfie nsia etimi ye ka na say o de ka ba de no so be support wo yeah educational services name because obetime won say bi akra bi nim ka bi e frɛ no Mercedes Benz onim Tesla onim Ford onim way so what you say ntini nyina pacho me ko hede chairman of NDC Johnson said in Ketia ekan.
Museums are very important educational facilities in every civilization. I just returned from China. You know the type of history, the museum they took me to Nanjing, a museum of examinations. Have you heard that thing before?
No, first time.
Museum of examinations. They will trace to 2,000 years ago how they were conducting exams to select leaders for their society and how examination developed up to where we are now. You understand? So when school children go there, they learn about their history, and they will learn about the fact that even the Western people came to learn about examinations from China. But if those things had not been established, nobody will know that. All we knew was that democracy is in the West, China is dictatorship, and as if Chinese didn't contribute anything. If we study and record our history properly, the youth will realize that once upon a time, Africa colonized Europe. Yes, but many people don't know because we don't learn our history.
You said once upon a time, what happened?
Africa colonized Europe.
Wow.
Civilization started from Africa.
Wow.
In Egypt, the great scientists, astronomers, and all those things, they were born. Civilization started from Africa.
Wow.
In Egypt, the great scientists, astronomers, and all those things, they were born in Copernicus and other things. Those who calculated the circumference of the earth and all those things, they all did it in Africa. You understand? one of the earliest universities in the whole world is Timbuktu University in Mali.
Wow.
It came before Oxford and the other universities.
Knowledge.
But they've made us to believe that we are nothing. We don't have history. We didn't contribute anything to history. You understand? Because they came, looted, and carried all our artifacts away. So the children that are coming up, they believe that the white men.
Chairman Johnson, a see don't get here. I say, I will say, yes, see museum, yet said the see exams. Wasi, any BC, and an of deck. Ning never trouble museum, or you bet see no museum honor. Now, yet what was what near call Yakasi near bar, your mammy, your auntie, it be a Jackie up here. Okopia mo ewo despite museum hono musa na say maami awo wo do e de makas what is to kwan bebre na ena no be pie mo museum ha no ohu ne say o feel say dia adwen about tirim say na o feel si fa museum no ho pacho mo na kotie de o kan ba
Jackie Jackie meaning say wo tu kwan pa na ye share despite automobile in a museum yeah this is the first of its kind in Ghana. What will BB say diaspora?
No, this is my first time me who BB say and I'm very, very impressed.
Okay. Ubi Remono, meaning say we will be a lady J, we will be a we need your cars and hosopa. Uri Mono cars need be honoma attract workers. Oh wow.
Oh, so many, all of them need an effort. Yeah, so the cars are very beautiful. I'm so impressed. The place, apart from the cars, the decor, everything is nice. Come on.
Okay. Sabe obi show if America and I say Europe who are the four what they are not catch for despite automobile museum.
So I'm told this is for the public. So anytime you're in Ghana, make sure it's over Baha and you come and see for yourself and you will like it. You won't be disappointed.
Dr. Sekwame despite.
Namin Shirano P and he should continue doing his great work.
Yeah, that's a part.
said ye nearby a mammy, auntie, be a Jackie appear SCN no was so already. The Nija can who know what to quite be brave, or who be a very extraordinary to say, despite museum now was sino, or Doma cars be brave, and then or ye very proud of the Ninia Bema despite a ye a diama Ghana, my 9. It's no dear a waho a far despite museum and I'm more so for more bamunia ba more of I say. Mubibia mea me de ababet siamo e via no pay enyumere yi e wo trendy x e wo obo TV plus so me ma we fi say obe subscribe to our YouTube channel ai na be on e wo hono so me ma we fi say ode nsa e be boss na ye post video bia e bi abobo na mo so atimanya bi ahye enye mu nchechemu atiase yi Macram.